Welcome back, guys! At nakatutok pa rin kayo dito sa nag-iisa at kauna-unahang Battle of the Bands reality program ng bansa.
Ignite Gospel Music Festival Season 2. At gaya po ng sabi namin, nasa round 2 na po tayo. This round, masasaksihan natin yung pinakamagandang performance ng ating mga finalists noong kanilang weekly episodes.
Siyempre, yung kakantahin nila dito ay yung pinaka or naging best song nila ng grupo nila before.
Ano kaya sa tingin
Ay,
mo,
nako.
KA, ang kakantahin nila? Ano yung, what do you think is the best song they've performed so far? May mga songs ba na nag-stick sa'yo?
Actually, medyo naguguluhan ako kasi medyo, hindi pala medyo, maganda naman talaga lahat. So it's really up to their mentor siguro na mag-decide kung alin talaga yung naging best nun.
Kaya naman, sabay-sabay nating alamin yan. Tawagin na natin ang unang band. From Team Aya, mga kaibigan, Nights and Day.
Napili namin yung kantang yun kasi yun yung sa tingin namin na magiging suitable sa amin lahat.
Thirsty for your rain, so open up the heavens and fill me up again. Come on, put your hands together. Hey. This is an invitation to overwhelm my heart. I'm asking you to meet me. I'm waiting here to start. Oh, it's like a desert, thirsty for your rain. So open up the
right. Haha, all right. That was a
Yes.
wonderful, awesome performance. Let's hear what the judges have to say sa kanilang performance. Sir Jay, your comment, please.
Hello. Ayan. Ang napansin ko, mas lumaki yung tunog nila kaysa yung dati. Though, nasa one comment lang dun sa gitara, sa adlib. Yung tunog lang, hindi ko alam kung dahil lang siguro sa instrumento rin yan. Mas maganda sana kung mas mataba na gitara yung ginamit niya para mas mataba yung tunog. Para, sayang kasi yung alam ko, gumawa ng melodiya to eh. Yung guitar player niya. Naalala ko kayong lahat nung very clear sa mind ko yung mga pinagagawa niyo kahit nung huli pang rounds. I would say na mas naging mature kayong tumugtog. Kasi hindi nyo pinansin mas hindi naging priority sa inyo ang magpasikat sa kantang yon. Kung ano yung dapat doon sa kantang yon, yun lang yung ginawa niya. Tama yon. So, that is maturity. And it's a very important thing as you move forward as musicians. Yeah, that's good. God bless.
Thank you very much, Sir Jay. Ngayon naman, let's move on to Sir Harold.
You know, guys, I thought you seemed more comfortable on stage with the first song. So, for the remainder of the night, just have fun. Leave it all on the stage, so to speak. I mean, there's nothing from here forward or anything, I mean, you have no regrets, Just have fun and enjoy the time.
Maraming salamat, Sir Harold. At syempre, ang comment ng kanilang mentor, Miss Aya.
Well, I don't know. I just really appreciate you, and yeah, I just I don't know what to say.
Sa song
I
nila,
just really want to choose to enjoy what you're giving because you worked so hard. So I'd rather not. At this point, I'd rather not give comments because they've proven themselves just so dedicated, diba? So I just salute you in every single effort. It's all worth it. I mean, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you very much, Miss Aya. Thank you very much, mentors. Balikan naman natin ang Band with Rem.
Yes, K.A., thank you. Para sa mga nakakaalala, yung pinerform nyo tonight ay mash up ng dalawang song na kinanta naman ng dati nilang banda na High Faith Story. Pwede bang malaman namin kung sino yung pumili ng songs na kinanta nyo tonight?
Kami po yung pumili. Bigla, kasi po sa tingin po namin, yun yung magbibigay, ayun po yung mga the best na na-perform po namin nung weekly po. Although lahat naman po talaga, the best po yung
Ayan.
namin.
May sinabi siya, may meaning daw. Ano yung meaning?
Today is the day na we are overwhelmed.
Pinagdugtong niya talaga. Good job! Ikaw naman, anong masasabi niya sa song choice nyo? Masasabi mo ba na best talaga siya sa performance nyo?
Opo, kasi po yung song na yun, parang nagde-describe din siya ng feeling namin ngayon. Kasi very overwhelmed po kami kasi ito po yung ito po yung di namin ina-expect talaga na moment na nandito kami ngayon tapos nagpe-perform sa harap niyo.
Wow! I love you, Bedaw. Sagot ka naman!
Love you too.
Oh no! Maraming salamat, guys. Once again, this is Nights and Day of Team Aya. Back to you, Carl and K.A.
Thank you very much,
Mukhang
Rem.
na-overwhelmed sila dun sa
Oo
pinagagawa
nga
nila kung ano na nasabi nila.
Anyway, matapos tayong overwhelmed ng Team Aya, panoorin naman natin ang inihanda ng mga babies ni Sir J.
Babies talaga. Once again, for their best performed song from Team J, Ricochet.
Yun yung nakapag-break ng standard ng mga judges. Doon kami nag-excel talaga.
It's a challenge talaga.
sa performance na yun.
Parang end song na to, grabe. That energy was off the charts, way off the charts.
Okay. Talaga taling-tili yung mga fans talaga nila. Now, let's hear what our mentor judges can say about that performance, Miss Aya.
See, that was wonderful, guys. This is what you get when you're skilled. I mean, you practice and then you hone your skills and then you have your music theory down pat, and then you're able to practice with your group. You know, it comes to a point wherein it's all about having fun and entertaining yourselves. At the end of the day, parang pag kayo yung na-entertain sa stage, or hinahanap nyo na yun yung konting kilite, ganyan, pati yung audience nadadala eh. You don't actually do it for your audience, you do it for yourselves first. Diba? Pag na-enjoy nyo yun, makikisali yung audience eh. Tinan mo yung audience, hindi nila alam yung kinanta nyo. They have no idea what you just played. But they are extremely entertained. So, nakaka-inspire talaga. Grabe, what a performance. Wonderful.
Thank you, Miss Aya. Ano naman ang masasabi ni Mr. Harold?
Yeah, cowboy hats, hey guys. You know, that's an interesting choice for best performance because country, as a general rule, was the weakest link for everybody. I don't know that that was really the best choice or not. It was well rehearsed, it was well planned, it was well thought out, it was well executed. So, good job there.
Wow.
Thank you very much, Sir
Saya yan.
Harold. Ngayon naman, ito, smile pa rin kaya from Sir Jay.
I love you, sabihin ko.
Wala eh, inubos na nila lahat ng pwedeng sabihin eh. Now, okay. Just like you to know that I am proud to be your mentor. And, hindi, matipid, no? Magtipid. Okay. Well, maubusan tayo ng oras dito. Hindi ako nagsisisi sa mga, alam mo yun, sa mga pagod or sa mga times na wala naman din akong pagsisihan eh. Alam mo yun. Pag meron man akong natabla na trabaho, sulit lahat. Dahil lalo na alam ko na mga pausbong kayo ng mga musicians. And, you know, yung mundong ito, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, kailangan ng mga musikerong katulad nyo. Palabas pa lang. Thank you for the opportunity and hope you guys will continue to carry all the fellowship we had, yung togetherness natin in your hearts as you grow older.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Sir Jay. Ngayon, balik natin ang bandang ito kay Rem.
Mr. Rem, kamusta dyan?
Ayan, na-overwhelm ako sa comments na. Kapiling ko kasi kagrupo ko na sila, guys eh. Ayan, balik tayo sa kanila. Alam nyo ba, mga kaibigan, may nangyaring mini program at awards night kagabi. Pwede mo ba ikwento ano yung awards na na-receive nyo? Award lang pala, award.
Very honored kami kasi kami yung napili as yung production award, production award. Yeah, production bet. Hindi ko alam yung pinaka-exact word. Pero yun kami napili and kasi parang natuwa kami kasi parang despite nung mga hirap namin kasi syempre may mga challenges pero still nag-come up kami sa better arrangement and chemistry ng band. So, natutuwa lang kami kasi kami napili.
Ayan naman. At balita ko may isa kayong award yung Best in Performance para sa inyong radio guesting. From Edge Radio. Tama ba? Wow! Ano naman yung pakiramdam na napili kayo ng Edge Radio? At saka, kung may message ka sa Edge Radio, pagkakataon mo na para magpasalamat. Ayan.
Una po sa lahat, gusto ko po nang i-introduce si Mr. Mike Medlin. Siya po yung host, yung DJ na nakasama namin sa The Edge Radio. First of all, we are very honored to have the opportunity na mag-perform sa studio nila. and sa radio station nila. And we are really blessed as well. So, ayun, ang masasabi lang namin, to God be all the glory po.
Ayan naman tayo eh. Kaibigan, once again, Ricochet of Team J. Back to you, Carl and KA.
Congratulations, Ricochet, for winning that award. Of course, we'd like to thank Edge Radio. Thank you very much for that award. Sir Jay, congratulations sa team mo. At sa tatlong teams, sila talaga yung na-award as best performance in a radio guesting. So once again, congratulations po sa inyo.
At balik naman tayo para muli naman tayong pabilibin. Tawagin na natin ang Team Herald. Everyone, let's give it up for Redeem!
1, 2, 3, pakitapak, bam, bam. For that round, hands down, as far as my team goes.
Abangan nila yung dalawang magkapatid. Ang kinagandahan nito nga, kasi nga nagkaroon kami ng keyboardist. Diba, sa katauhan ni Chester.
Are you ready? Music Museum! Come on! You stand up on your feet! Tayo-tayong lahat!
What I want to do, guys, can tayo-tayong lahat? Can we stand up on our feet? We will turn this music museum to a dance floor. Feel alive, come alive. I am alive on God's great dance floor. Feel alive, come alive. I am alive, God's great dance. Come on, let's dance. I am alive, God's great dance floor. Feel alive, come alive. I am alive on God's great dance floor. Come
God's great dance floor, you've literally turned this place into one
Maklase.
massive dance floor. Let's hear it from our mentor judges. Ano ba ang kanilang masasabi? Napasayaw ba kayo?
Grabe.
Let's start with Miss Aya.
Ayun, isa pang owning your stage and owning even the mistakes. Kasi hindi naman maiwasan yun eh. Minsan, pag sa sobrang gigil sa tugtog, minsan nadadapa yung nauurong lang ng konti yung kamay o ganyan. O minsan natatagalan sa isang nota. Kasama yun. So, andun na tayo sa stage na masaya na, di ba? So parang, and even then, like, how you own it on stage is very, very important. And they do. So hindi mo nga halata, di ba? So, wonderful.
Todo-todo na talaga yung mga finalists natin ngayon. Carlin, Sir Jay, ano naman masasabi mo?
May future, malaki ang future ito, very bright ang future ito. Talaga. Kasi yun talaga yung forma din, alam mo yun, yung ano nila, yung dating talaga nila, na ano nila na nakaka-captivate nila yung mga tao. Malaking bagay yun tatayo ka pa lang on stage. Meron ka ng something. Yan, laking bagay yan.
May something.
May something ka na.
Sir Jay, may tanong ako, paano ba magkaroon ng something? Yan ba ay nabibili?
Iparamdam mo lang na may something.
O natural lang yan? Parang
natural, ewan ko. Basta feeling ko malakas ang appeal. Yun, appeal yun katapat.
X factor, kumbaga.
Yan.
Baka ito yung makakasagot.
Ha?
Baka ito na yung makakasagot. Ang ating...
Sige, pakinggan natin. Baka alam ni Sir Harold ang key for the X factor.
You know, like for performances, that's the exact kind of performance you never want to follow. If you were another band, you know, you owned the stage, you engaged the audience, you did everything just right, you know. Again, I'm proud. Tomlin and Passion would be proud. Nice job.
Tomlin and Passion would be proud.
So once again, maraming salamat sa ating mga mentor
Mentors.
judges. Thank you very much. At ito naman, balik tayo sa mukhang kabanda na rin nila. Bagay yung outfit niya dun sa banda eh.
Oh, leather kung leather, di ba? Okay, guys, kung kanina ang Team J nakakuha ng Best Performer sa Edge Radio, ngayon naman kayo ay nakakuha ng Best Performer Award ng DZAS. Ang daming pala. Ano naman yung masasabi niyo sa DZAS?
Ayun, ayos. Well, gaya ng mga songs, this is all about God. And we just like to bring all the glory, praises, and honor because it's all about Him, all the music.
Wow.
That's all.
Mukhang pati pag-i-English na mentoran kayo ni Sir Harold, no? Yeah, so
We've been
English
trained.
speaker na kayo lahat.
Ano na?
Ayan tayo eh. Okay. Trivia, mga kaibigan, isa daw sa kanila ay nagre-review for board exam. Sino yun? Siya po yun. Wow, anong board exam nire-review mo?
Civil.
Civil engineering. Anong ginawa mo para mapagsabay ang pagre-review sa board exam?
Actually, sakit sa ulo nga eh, kasi...
Sino? Yung kabanda mo, yung
Hindi.
review?
Siyempre, pagka pumasa ka sa board exam, parang malaya ka na. Tapos na yung ano mo, yung paghihirap mo, di ba?
Oo.
Siyempre, pwede ka nang tuloy-tuloy na yan. Pwede ka na mag-asawa, pwede ka na
Oo.
So, ginagawa ko, pinapractice ko yung board exam, tapos... pinapractice yung practice. Tinatimer ko yung nag-board exam ako mag-isa, tapos review.
Oo.
Review. Tama, review rin sa chords, tapos
Tama
review,
yun.
tapos...
Pinapractice ang board exam at nire-review ang banda. Ayan, tama yan. Tamang time management yan. Oo. Tamang time management yan. Dito, mapapakita natin ang kahalagahan ng time management at ng passion. Diba? Kung di mo naman passion, hindi mo naman yun gagawin eh, diba? Okay, mga kaibigan, once again, this is rename of Team Harold. Pogi pose, guys! Ayan, back to you, Carl and K.A.
Thank you very much, Rem, at congratulations to the teams who got an award. At ibang level na talaga ang mga finalists natin, Carl, di ba?
That is all made possible by our media partners. Maraming salamat po muli sa DZAS, Energy FM, Globaltronics,
IMAC Photo, Buy and Sell, Fair News Media, BPO Hot Jobs, OFW Hot Jobs,
China Business, wheninmanila.com, Gospler.com, UCB Media, and Word for You Today.
Edge Radio, Positively Pinoy, DZUP, and DZJV.
Presented by Imperial PVC Pipes and Thermocore Roofing.
Co-presented by Save Radio and Magazine, Spin Manila, and PhilHealth.
Mga kaibigan, abangan na sa pagbabalik ng Ignite ang huling performance ng mga finalists at abangan din kung ano ang twist para sa round na ito. First time po na mangyayari yan dito sa Ignite. Partner, kaya naman kailangan yung abangan yan and I'm sure excited na kayong makita ang mga performances na yan.
Kaya don't go away, Ignite Gospel Music Festival. We'll be right back.